This is the beginning of the oil on the Jorgensen Ranch. They're making a location today. From here you can smell the dirt being moved. You can smell the diesel from the engines. The sound is very dominant. And our flax field is getting ripped up, so the quiet prairie will be no more. This is a half mile, not quite a half mile from our house to the west. And the smell of crude will be in the air after the oil starts flowing. So it's not a happy day for me. The rig went up today. It's September 21. And this is the view from our house. That's how loud the noise is right outside my door. You can hear it in the house. You can feel it in the house. Same day. October 5th.
With every well drilled, the landscape changes.
And whatever that is making a bad smell in the yard. And it's blowing right our way. And it smells like permanent. Home permanent. And no wind sock or air monitor. But I know it's blowing our way.
To frack a single well, it requires approximately 1,500 truck trips to bring in sand, water, and chemicals. With more trucks, that means more dust. Fracking creates a lot of waste, which must be disposed of. Some waste has been deemed radioactive. Approximately 30% of the natural gas produced in the Bakken is flared. Every day, more than 100 million cubic feet of natural gas is flared. This is enough gas to heat 500,000 homes.
That's what we get to see. No more beautiful sunsets. It was pretty.